British rock band Coldplay plans to re-release its albums on 140-gram EcoRecords, made from recycled plastic bottles and produced through injection molding technology. According to Warner Music Group, manufacturers make each EcoRecord from 100% recycled polyethylene terephthalate, a type of plastic engineered for circular reuse and used by US beverage companies to make bottles. Warner Music Group expects the EcoRecord manufacturing process to cut carbon emissions by 85% compared to conventional vinyl production. Each 140-gram injection molded EcoRecord requires, on average, 9 PET plastic bottles, which are cleaned, turned into small pellets, and molded into new items. Manufacturers can make an EcoRecord through both virgin or recycled PET. However, Coldplay elected to use exclusively recycled PET for its new records. The announcement comes after the band's 2024 release of Moon Music, their 10th album, which debuted on 100% recycled PET EcoRecords. Jen Ivory, the managing director of British record label Parlophone, said EcoRecords represent a new approach to manufacturing that lowers environmental impact. It also supports the band's ongoing sustainability efforts, including reportedly cutting the carbon footprint of its Music of the Spheres World Tour by 59% to date, through innovations like kinetic dance floors and electricity-generating bikes that allow fans to help power the concerts. Fans can now pre-order the EcoRecords, which are scheduled for official release on August 15th. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.